2020 Buick Envision. Changing the driver's side headlight bulb. That's a pain in the rear. The bulb for this is going to be the HD3S. We're going with a Holloway, but HD3S is going to be the part number you're looking for, and it's an expensive bulb. You can see it's got all the computerized stuff and everything attached to it. That's all one piece. And then when you put it in, then you just attach the connector to right there. But it's a little bit of a challenge. We'll show you. All right, so to get these out, show the viewers.
You pinch them together, like, and it comes right out. Since Meta's recording, does that mean I have to watch my language?
No, I can edit it.
Good. Okay. In taking this off, it has two plastic flanges. When you try to unscrew it with these plastics right here, they bust off. Hence, this one is missing.
Okay.
Best is...
do we want a socket on there?
We want to... You can, but it's a 16, not a 15.
This is the 16 millimeter you want. It's going to say 17 millimeter on it. So that's going to be the proper size. And then put it on there.
And poof, it's off.
That's it.
Quick
That's
turn.
It. An eighth of a turn, and there you go, and you don't snap it off like we did last time. By we, I mean I did.
You have the bar that's holding it on. If you stick your hand around, though, you can feel like what looks to be kind of like a little hinge. That's what you're going to flip up. Once you flip that up,
the bar falls.
The bar falls. The problem is you have very limited working space with your hands, so you can't see. You have to feel like this. Run your thumb up the hinge, turn your hand like this. You're going to feel where it actually has the divot, like the metal is bent.
Okay.
That is going to be, and then you're going to pull that forward.
Like towards the back of the vehicle.
Correct.
Okay.
You're going to pull it towards the back of the vehicle, and you'll feel it disengage.
Perfect.
Once you get the bar to disengage,
and it dropped down below it.
And it drops down below it real easy. You're going to unplug it.
Right. And this is where you want to have gloves on in case you do accidentally touch the bulb. But
all right. Once you unplug it, you're going to pull towards the back of the vehicle, the light, but there's not much room, so you have to be very careful and kind of almost give it a little wiggle as you're coming out.
We have our new bulb, and we want to very carefully put it down into place. There's barely enough room to work with it. Thanks, Buick. And you'll feel it seat into place. Now, it's not going to lock itself in place, but it will kind of seat there. What you'll see on these, there's a small little indentation. And what we were doing is we were putting it in like this, but it was kind of angled up. And when we actually like rotated it down, that popped in, and you can feel it's more secure in there. So that's pretty much all it's holding, is just that. So kind of the same thing on the way out. You feel it's in there. As soon as you tilt it back, it kind of loosens and wants to fall out.
It's just getting your hand in that hole. Meta, stop recording.
Meta, stop recording. Meta, stop recording. Wasn't recording this whole time.